वंदे वंदे वंदे। ऐसा कि देश का सम्मान बढ़ जाए, मरो तो ऐसा कि तिरंगे की शान बढ़ जाए। भरो पिचकारी ऐसे तीन रंगों की, भरो पिचकारी ऐसे तीन रंगों की, जब कपड़ों पर पड़े तो क्या बन जाए? हिंदुस्तान बन जाए। जब कपड़े पर पड़े तो हिंदुस्तान बन जाए। सो बिग हैंड चिल्ड्रन।
हम भारत के हैं, हम भारत से हैं, हम भारत के हैं, हम भारत से हैं, हम एक हैं, एक रहेंगे, ना बटे हैं। अब तो हमको आजमाना प्यार बात हम जान साथ हम इश्क बात दिल वाले कहते हैं हमको प्यार से इंडिया वाले छूते दिल के तार से इंडिया वाले हर चीज छीन ले हार से इंडिया वाले दुश्मन के छक्के छुड़ा दे हम इंडिया वाले दुश्मन के छक्के छुड़ा दे हम इंडिया वाले तो सीधे बड़े कभी चाहे तो हाथों से लेते लकीरें चुरा ओ, हमको परवाह नहीं जो भी कहता है कहने दे जग ये बनाया बुरा जैसी भी मर्जी हो हमारी करते हैं ऐसी होशियारी पर दिल से यार जो ने पुकार तो जान सार कर डाले कहते हैं हमको प्यार से इंडिया वाले छूते दिल के तार से इंडिया वाले हर चीज छीन ले हार से इंडिया वाले दुश्मन के छक्के छुड़ा दे हम इंडिया वाले उंगली पे सबको नचा दे हम इंडिया वाले नहीं एक जश्न है भारत रग रग में है जीत की आदत ऐसा हुनर दुश्मन की सलामी दे तू सूरज होने उजाले तुझसे जुदा नहीं होने वाले आखिर तक हम सफर रहेंगे जय हिंद जो नस नस में है हर बाजी मेरे बस में है इंसान के हिंदुस्तान बोले
भारत देश के सभी सैनिकों को हमारी सलाम
सलाम सलाम सलाम सलाम वंदे मातरम सलाम 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 वंदे मातरम रग रग में जोश की बूंदे बूंदों में जीत ही गूंजे इस गूंज से गिर जाएगा आसमान भी कदमों में रग रग में जोश की बूंदे बूंदों में जीत ही गूंजे इस गूंज से गिर जाएगा आसमान भी कदमों में रोको न सपनों के तूफानों को रोको न कदमों की उड़ानों को रोको न बातों के निशानों को आग जैसे बरसा दे ये इरादे जिगरा है जिगरा है जिगरा है जिगरा है जिगरे से निकलेगी चिंगारियां जिगरा है जिगरा है जिगरा है जिगरा है जिगरे से निकलेगी चिंगारियां
Lakshmibai, Bhagat Singh, Subhash Chandra Bose, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, and many other freedom fighters fought bravely against British rule. Their courage and vision continue to inspire us today. Let us not forget the basic values of our nation who stand for unity in diversity, peace, tolerance, and democracy. We come from different states, culture, tradition, religion, caste, background. But what binds us is the love for our nation. But friends, freedom is not just about breaking the chain, but it is also about fulfilling responsibilities. As the youth of India, we have a major role to play in a building a stronger, more united, more progressive nation. Whether it's through education, innovation, honesty, or compensation, we can contribute in our own way. In the word of Swami Vivekananda, arise, awake, stop notes till the goal is reached. Let us work together for a better India, an India which leads the world not just for economy and technology, but also for the basic values of our nation, like humanity and harmony. So today, as we are going to salute the national flag and sing national anthem, let us take on place to become responsible citizens, give respect to Constitution and nation, and avoid the freedom that was highly earned. Thank you, Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
ओ कान्हा उठ जा बेटा
मैं झूलो देवा मैं सज के जावा मैं झूलो देवा निंदरा लेके बाली के मैं सज के जावा निंदरा लेके बाली के उड़ी जागो 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 उड़ी किसने कलिया जागो तेरी माँ बातन लाई मैं किसने कलिया जागो अनु
मिलती है जिनके सपनों में जान होती है। Respected Principal Sir, respected Rajalakshmi Madam, respected Panda Sir, respected teachers, and my dear students. Today, 15 August, Independence Day. It is not just a day or a date. It is a reminder. It is a reminder of the sacrifices, hard work of our ancestors, freedom fighters like Mahatma Gandhi, Subhash Chandra Bose, Jawaharlal Nehru, Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose, Veer Surendra Sahib, and many others. And some people who suffered a lot and who sacrificed their life for the sake of freedom. This is national flag. It is not just a cloth. It is not just a piece of cloth. It is soaked with the blood, tears of our ancestors, our freedom fighters. Freedom does not mean doing what you want. It means doing what is right. We all are proud to be Indian, and we are Indians not by blood but by soul. Now, few words for the student. Love our country, love our constitution, love our national flag, love and respect to your parents, love and respect to your elders, love and respect to your teachers, to your neighbors, and to all the social workers like soldiers, farmers who are working for us and who are working for our country. Believe in hard work. Do hard work. There is no substitute of hard work to get success. Don't shortcut way to get success, because in shortcut way you cannot reach your goal. कुछ किए बिना ही जय जयकार नहीं होती, कोशिश करने वालों की कभी हार नहीं होती।
SM sir, Chhatrapati sir, Nilakshmi ma'am, Panda sir, teachers and my dear children. Today we are celebrating 79th Independence Day. And you know, our country got independence on 14th August 1947 at night. And our first Prime Minister, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, he had given the first speech on Independence Day at night. So at that time the whole world was sleeping, but the people of India, they were awake to enjoy the freedom of life, which came after 200 years of British rule. So, and that freedom we got, it was not easy to get. For that, many freedom fighters have sacrificed their lives. So we are indebted to them and we must pay homage to on this special day. Like Mahatma Gandhi, you can say Veer Surendra Sai, Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose, then Shahid Bhagat Singh, all this. So now it's our duty. Freedom was not easy to get, so now it's our duty to preserve. How to preserve? By doing hard work with honesty and sincerity. So, though India got independence after 79 years, before 79 years, still India it is a developing country. It is not a developed country like America, Japan, France, Germany, like this. Still it is developing. So our target is to make India a developed country by 2047. हम ये देखना चाहते हैं भारत एक विकसित भारत बने by 2047. So for this, what you have to do as a student, what should be your role? So you must do hard work. You must excel in studies. अच्छे से पढ़ाई करना है. And for that you know how to excel in studies. Your teachers are telling every day. So you have to follow your teachers. You have to follow the rules of the institution. So not only you should excel in studies, but also you have to protect our environment. So how to protect our environment? We should not cut down the trees. We must plant the trees and we must minimize the use of plastics and the other items which pollute the environment. You must respect your elders. You must help the people in need. And the last, you must work hard consistently, not occasionally. APJ Abdul Kalam says, success does not come from what you do occasionally. It comes when you work consistently. Exam खत्म हो गया, हमें पढ़ाई नहीं करना है, सो जाना है, ये नहीं होना चाहिए. There should be spirit, consistent work. Then only we can convert our country to a Viksit Bharat by 2047. Can you do or not? What I am telling, can you do or not? Are you listening my speech? Then let us take a place. Let us take a place. I will do hard work. I will respect my country. I will uphold its unity. I will do hard work to make my country proud. जय हिंद जय भारत भारत माता की भारत माता की भारत माता की
HM sir, Pradeep Kumar Panda sir, respected teachers and my dear students. Really, today is a very great day to celebrate, okay, and to remember our great heroes. So in this auspicious occasion, first of all, on behalf of whole Vidyalaya, on behalf of whole staff and on behalf of lovely students, I want to extend my hearty grateful thanks to Honorable Principal Sir for his continuous guidance and for his inspiring words. I want to thank all my teachers for executing all works with cooperation. I also extend my hearty thanks to all my beloved students for giving such a nice performance and a different performance with so enthusiasm, so joyful. Okay, so dear students, I hope that you will implement all the values that is imparted by various teachers in our institution in your daily life, and you will come out to be a very good citizen. Okay, so once again I want to thank you all who are directly or indirectly involved in this precious occasion. Thank you all. Bharat Mata ki Jai. Bande
Mataram.
Bande
Mataram.
Bande.
Mataram.
Thank you.
이라운드 공부하고 와 이거.